For pronouncement of judgment, item 1, criminal reference 1 of 24.
The reference which was before this court to answer was as to whether an application for pre-arrest or regular bail or criminal petition would be filed under section 438, 439, 482 of Criminal Procedure Code, now repeal, if the FIR is registered prior to 1/7/2024, that is for before coming into force of BNSS 2023, or same are liable to be filed under the provisions of section 482 and 528 of the BNSS 2023 in view of the saving clause provided under section 5312A and section and 358 of the BNSS 2023. The reference is answered as follows. Any pre-arrest or regular bail or criminal petition filed after 1/7/2024 in connection with an FIR registered prior to 1/7/2024, that is before coming into force of BNSS 2023, are liable to be filed under the provisions of section 482, 483, and 528 of BNSS 2023 respectively. The registry is directed to treat all pre-arrest bail, regular bail, criminal petitions filed after 1/7/2024 in respect of FIR registered prior to 1/7/2024 to be filed under section 482, 483, and 528 of BNSS 2023 respectively.
From item number 8 to 17.
Wait, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9, Lordship. Lordship, the matter may be adjourned only for a day, Lordship. 9. Obliged, Lordship.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11, Your Lordship.
11,
Your Lordship.
Yeah.
Conducting counsel P. Decca, he is out of station for some medical emergency. He was
DRT has not granted interim order, so we have filed this petition.
Your Lordship.
The DRT has not granted interim order. How
Yes,
can you file a petition here?
Because, Your Lordship, the entire property is that appellate tribunal, because there is some dispute. In the due amount, Your Lordship. They have not clarified. And there is no provision of appealing in that interim order. There is no. Your Lordship, I pray for a short accommodation, my lord. Can it be listed tomorrow?
2 weeks.
My lord, tomorrow, my lord. There is some emergency, my lord.
2 weeks. That's all.
Then, my lord, the matter may be taken up at 2, my lord. Then,
Why 2 weeks?
because he is arriving today, he will be landing at 11:30, my lord.
We'll take it if it is possible, then we'll take it. We'll take up the matter.
My lord, then day after tomorrow, my lord.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Day after tomorrow.
Obliged, my lord. Okay, obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17.
Yeah.
A matter will be taken day after tomorrow, Lordship.
Day after tomorrow, agreement is day after tomorrow. What is it? Settlement of fishery, respondent number 5 is eligible. I mean, single judge has held that he is eligible for that. What's the problem? Next.
May please, Lordship. My lord, item 18, I need to file a reply against the counter, my lord. Lordship will kindly grant me 2 weeks time.
What's the problem in that? The money is due. That has been deposited with the district commissioner. Why you are not making the payment to him?
Yes, maybe. My lord. 47 lakhs. हाँ. वो बोला है कि वो दे दिया है इन्होंने अभी जो साइन किया है सर बोल रहा है कि मुझे फोर्स चाहिए लेकिन अभी रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए फोर्स चाहिए वो एक आपका दुकान का भी रहा तो इनकम टैक्स ने बोला ये वो दे दीजिए वहाँ पे चाहिए और ये पैसा तो है यहाँ पे लोन
We have taken the point of maintainability.
How maintainability, the appeal, the requisition is dismissed.
Retouple was disposed of the first day itself.
That's right, so. In evidence.
My lord, I'm asking for only 10 days time, my lord. I'll file a reply against their counter, my lord.
You are for the.
I'm for the writ appellant, my lord. My lord.
Request of not to the plan. Just after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Adjournment request from item number 19 to 28.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19. On behalf of the engaged and the engaging council, your lordship, they're not. The out of station, the matter can be taken up after a week.
Recovery होना चाहिए तीन की तीन तक जजमेंट रिकवरी होना 90 that will be paid effectively from the date of the judgment and they were supposed to
Yes,
session
yes, lordship. Actually, problem is that lordship, the presiding officer, Lapar Court is on leave, lordship, and he is unable to sign, lordship. That's why. Also asking some time, lordship.
over last night produced अभी
Deeply observed.
May I please? I beg to mention item number 24.
Yeah.
With the consent of the other side, my lord. My lord, lordship may take up after 10 days.
You are for.
I'm for the respondent number. State is the appellant. ma'am.
resignation resignation will be हमने ये क्लोज कर दिया ये कैसे चलता रहेगा ठीक है
And then 4 weeks.
Made clear. Lord, I am mentioning item number 23. Lord. This matter may be adjourned for 3 weeks. Says senior counsel, Mr. D.K. Mishra is unwell.
May I please? I beg to mention item number 26 for the
Yeah.
hearing list, your lordship. May I pray for taking up this matter on 28, your lordship?
What is the auspicious, how this?
No, not
is the
auspicious. Today, your lordship, I could not prepare properly. That's why, your lordship, I am seeking. On 28, your lordship.
promotion
28.
इसका ऊपर में आदमी है
If you may please, your lordship. Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 21, your lordship. As a senior counsel is unwell, your lordship.
affidavit
Affidavit has been filed, your lordship. Your lordship, and the consideration,
that's what they get from last time. Also, then it should be done. Appeal association. 50%.
Twenty?
21, your lordship.
21.
21.
Ah.
Your-
Affidavit filed. Government has filed an affidavit.
Indeed, your lordship, the government has filed an affidavit, but the consideration for interim is pending before this honorable court. And the senior counsel has, your lordship, he'll be available from the 25th, 24th, 25th, if it's possible, your lordship, but date may be fixed. for the consideration of interim of this month itself.
Second December.
Much of that. Much of
Second
that.
December.
Much of that.
May I please, your lordship?
The request of Madam Council.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 25, lordship. Lordship, may I kindly adjourn this matter for today, lordship.
Maybe it's on the paper for 22nd or doesn't it? 227 matters. 22nd.
You are appealing for?
I'm waiting for a management, lordship, responding.
Mr. You are appealing for the,
No, my lords, I'm for a different matter.
who is appealing for this,
Mr. BD that's
Shramik Sangha?
I have taken this consent, lordship.
Who is appearing?
Mr. BD that's.
Mr. Das,
Mr. Das.
it's your matter.
25, item 25.
Who is the, who
K
is the,
Das, lordship. It shows K Das. I have taken the consent, lordship.
22nd?
Lordship. Much of.
Please, as well. Plus, the other day I made a mention, my lords, for listing of two IAs, my lords, pertaining to the lottery matter. And that was allowed by my lords, my lords. It was supposed to be listed today, my lords.
Then what
And
happened?
my lord, the courtmaster's diary also reflects, my lord, the registration.
What happened then?
It is not listed, my lord.
Why?
Some urgency is there, my lord. Can it be taken up today or tomorrow, my lord? Kindly, my lord. Because lucky draw, I'm obliged, my lord, deeply obliged, my lord.
Daily list for orders item 1.
Lordship, newly impleted respondent has entered appearance, Lordship.
So we'll be representing the.
You are appealing for all the respondents?
For the
Lordship.
newly impleted Rabindranath Tagore University, Lordship.
Okay.
4-5.
On behalf of SK Metal.
Okay, it's going to put in appearance on behalf of the respondent number 4 and 5. Service is therefore complete. This after 3 weeks for admission.
Item 2.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, as per court's order, my lord, paper publication has been done, my lord. Lordship, may kindly grant 7 days time to file affidavit, my lord.
Okay, then it council has submitted that as per the direction given by the court on
18/9/22. 18/9/22.
18
Nine-
That-
18/9.
9/2024. The proper paper publication.
Is next day.
Paper publication as well, for service of paper publication for service of notice upon the sole respondent as well. That time may be granted to place the same on record just after 10 days.
Highly obliged.
Item 3.
Lordship, in this matter, we had received the affidavit on the last occasion. Lordship, will be filing a short affidavit on the regarding. Lordship.
Yes, I have no objection in the inspection report, Lordship, which we have annexed. A detailed thorough study has been done and what has been done, what is going to be done.
If they have some suggestions.
Yes, I will definitely, but whatever the gentleman said before, everything was well covered also. But he was allowed to give his suggestions also.
And affidavit is filed on behalf of the state.
9/10.
On 29/10/2024.
20.
Sorry. Wherein it is specifically mentioned that work order for that a consultancy services, a consultancy service provider Royal Asconing BHV has been engaged for preparation of GIS-based comprehensive drainage master plan and detailed project report of for Gauhati city. And work order has also been issued to the said agency on 21/10/2024. It is further stated in the affidavit that a inception report prepared by the service agency is detailed and covering each and every aspect to deal with the menace of flooding in the Gauhati city, particularly during monsoons. Let's stop. Learned Council appearing for amicus curiae. Learned Council appearing for Mr. K. N. Chaudhary, Senior Advocate amicus curiae. Raise some time to go through the affidavit as well as the inception report.
Lordship, if I may, Lordship, we are filing it today, Your Lordship.
Today,
We're filing affidavit today, Your Lordship.
we are filing today, filing an affidavit in response to a and constitution submitted that for Mr. K. N. Chaudhary has submitted that and in response to the additional affidavit filed by the state, the short affidavit is going to be filed today. The stuff ready.
What is interesting here, Lordship, the work order was issued on 21st of August. But from 1st of August, the work had already started. And the starting point of the whole work started from Khanapara, the main problem which has been creating problem now.
Date of appointment 21/8/2024.
Date of appointment कितना है?
21/10.
21/8/2024. 10 की जगह है.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Item number 4.
Yes, Your Lordship, as per official note dated 6/11/2024, the notice
Respondent
upon,
number 2.
yes, newly implemented respondent has not yet returned back.
Return of notice for respondent number 3 for 4 more weeks.
Lordship, obliged.
Item 5.
The service is complete. Mr. Mojumdar took time last time.
Yeah.
Lordship has.
Also, I'm not formally engaged for the department. I have taken the instructions. Well, on 30th of October, I was informed that 41 lakhs 14,257 as area has been paid. When the rate appeal was admitted, we paid an amount of 5 lakhs. So total matter 46 lakhs 76,009 rupees have been paid to the petitioner. Madam, it was paid on she received it on September, madam. First week of September. Now the order of this honorable court was on the 4th of April. If not paid within one month, 30 days, the interest part is being calculated, madam. We should be able to do it within a week or two.
So file the compliance report.
That part only I got.
Current salaries and the back. full back wage is
That
not being given.
affidavit.
Yes.
Current salaries have also not been.
That much in that, then consider for that. Respondent number 3 takes some more time to furnish furnish the factual report regarding compliance of this of the order passed by this court. Let's start the
Lordship will give him 2 weeks, my lord, by the time.
Item 6,
Please, your lordship, as per notice, office note dated 7/11/2024, neither AD card.
await return of notice for 3 more weeks. Await return of notice of unserved respondent for 3 more weeks.
item 7,
Well, this is an application for continuation delay of 53 days.
Yes. Any objection?
Lordship, on behalf of respondent number 4, Lordship. Respondent 4 is not a formal party because of the dispersing agency. Because we have.
Yes, who you are appealing for?
Respondent number 4, Lordship. We have just file a formal Lordship objection. In
Why?
fact, Lordship, because the reason Lordship given for the delay, these are facts, Lordship, which need to be substantiated by form of some documents, only that much,
You are
Lordship.
filing formal objection only for the sake of objecting.
No, respondent 4 is only the disbursing agency, is not the formal party also.
And who is appealing for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3?
Lordship, I am appealing for respondent number 3 and 5.
3 and 5.
3 and 5.
What about 1 and 2?
The Deputy Solicitor General, my lord.
Deputy Secretary Department of the State. Yes, Mr. Secretary, you are appealing for? And respondent number 2, Industry Department?
Yes, Lordship, I can.
You can-
2 also. 2, 3 and 5.
Okay. Notices upon all the respondents. To be respective etiquette presence. Notices upon all the respondents have been served. The matter comes upon for consideration of the IA number so with a prayer to. The consideration of this IA with a prayer to condone the delay of 53 days in filing the connected appeal. Having gone through the contents of the application and after hearing the non-concept of the parties, we deem it appropriate to condone the delay in filing the connected appeal. Hence, IA is allowed delay of 53 days condone. Registry is directed to register the connected appeal and list before this court for admission when
Whenever, your lordship.
3 weeks, after 3 weeks.
item 8,
May I, Lordship? But delay of condonation of delay, Lordship,
On the other side,
15 days.
anybody from the other side,
Other side is not.
who is the Union of India?
Union of
Three and
India.
4. Tea Research Association, Director, Tea Research Administrator, Tea Research Association. It is that Tea Research.
And what in the party? Popular thing.
For one only, lordship.
Yeah, one only.
One only.
Matter comes, Mr. So and so. The matter comes upon for consideration of the IA with a prayer to condone the delay of 15 days in filing the connected appeal. Mr. So and so is appearing on behalf of Mr. Chakravarti is appearing on behalf of the respondent. Let notices be issued to the remaining respondents returnable 6 weeks. Registered AG Dusty.
Highly obliged.
for admission, item 10,
May I please lordship?
Yes,
Actually, lordship, we're not pressing this case anymore because lordship, the ordinance which we're challenging, it has already been assented to the honorable governor.
Does not
Lordship,
want-
my limited to is the lordship may allow us liberty to challenge the act if advised.
on inspection has submitted, he does not want to he does not want to press this petition, however, seeks liberty to file fresh petition if occasion for arises.
Obliged.
Has not pressed with liberty as prayed for.
Item 12,
Lord, the grievance. Lord, Lord, ठीक है.
Chakravarti, it is specific bar that person posted in so and so.
Lordship.
His services are not likely to be taken into consideration for the purpose of this promotion.
Lordship, page 63.
Page 63.
63.
Serial number 3 is for a warrant officer to Naib Subedar.
Yeah.
At the right hand column, lordship.
And that has been quoted by the single judge.
Well,
Yeah. This C,
See, my lord.
out of last 5 years, 2 reports must be from so and so, so and so. Not applicable to GB for forming part of Assam Rifle team or any discipline to Assam Rifles or Army formation.
Army con-
If they're deployed under the army, then it will be counted.
Under the
Army. Sometimes they are sent for deputation under the army control also, lordship.
and otherwise,
Otherwise, it should be from battalion or ARTCG, that is Assam Rifle Training
Training Center.
Center and School, or NSG. Here in this case, lordship, he was posted as the headquarter itself, lordship. And his unit was at Chasad in Manipur, a hard posting, and he was posted there at his own request. That is what the honorable single judge has gave the finding, because he have not denied that fact, by which we have rejected his case, lordship.
own request is another
My
thing.
lord.
Who has posted him in that
The field intelligence unit.
Huh?
I was in the field intelligence unit,
Who
which
has
is,
posted that?
my lord, that was, the respondents had posted me,
Assam Rifles.
my lord.
But at his own request.
Only in the only place, how you keeping that?
That we have stated, Lordship. In the order rejecting his case, Lordship. Page 37, Lordship. Point number 3, Lordship.
Yes. You were sent to hear the VP for 3 years.
Even after completing the tenure, he is there for 1 more year, Lordship. He should have asked for repatriation. That he is not done. Enjoy a soft posting.
Within the question
At Shillong,
of
Lordship.
asking for repatriation.
My lord.
Means asking for when his unit was somewhere else, Lordship.
I don't control my posting, my lord.
But you know the
I can-
promotional
How
policy.
can he ask if he?
But you know the
if
promotional
the
policy,
posting
Lordship.
was from your posting, then
Lordship,
you have to ask him, or otherwise you should take a disciplinary action.
Lordship, Lordship may see the promotional policy.
Yeah.
Page 58, Lordship.
58, yeah.
58, 16, note to serial number 16, Lordship.
Yes.
JCOs, NCOs who are expected to get promotion to higher ranks during the period of their tenures on ERE will not be detailed on ERE. So he knows that extra regimental duties, he should not have accepted that, Lordship.
Yeah.
Extra regimental engagement, Lordship.
That is for you to consider, sir.
Lordship, that's true. But
That is for you, even though if he has requested, you should have refused.
but he should have refused, Lordship, at his own
You
request.
should have refused.
Let me produce that his engagement order that will make it clear whether it was in public interest or in own request.
It was for you not to post in any JCO or NCO who are expected to get promotion to
That's
a higher
true.
rank
That's true, Lordship.
for a period of their tenure in ERE. Then why you have posted him?
Because
Even though has
because he
for
requested,
that.
Lordship. He requested. That's why you consider and
So,
posted.
what do you mean by even though if
Let me
he has
produce that
requested,
order.
you should have refused his request since you are on the promotional path. We are
Perhaps
not
he wanted to forego that his promotion, Lordship. He wanted some posting.
Where is that application?
Let me produce
That
that.
I'll
Lordship.
forego my promotion, you
No,
just.
that is, I'm not saying that he has, perhaps that was his intention, Lordship.
Intention you can't take.
So he was availing a soft posting when his unit was at Chasad in Manipur, a hard posting, Lordship.
There's no
He
soft
he-
posting, my lord, in Assam.
That's he can't have the cake and eat it too, Lordship.
That. Yeah, notice. Having heard the appellant. Limit. We are of the view that matter requiring consideration, issue notice, the Chakravarti accept notice on behalf of
All the respondents.
all the respondents. He placed some time. Also, to produce the relevant report before this board.
Lordship, there is one private respondent except 4, Lordship.
Private respondent.
Oh, in appeal, he has not ever.
In appeal,
In appeal, he has not ever. In writ petition, there was a private.
this topic,
3 weeks.
All right.
Item 13 to 15.
Yes.
Lordship is please referred against the judgment and order dated 18th.
And before my learned friend starts, my lord,
Yeah.
they were supposed to furnish us the copies of the writ appeal, my lord, to us and also to the other applicants.
Lordship, however, appeal may be admitted, will furnish course of the day to day.
Admitted, the other two appeals have already been.
Already been admitted, Lordship.
You can run it concept with the appellant has submitted the appeals filed against the impugned, other appeals filed against the impugned judgment has already been admitted. And it concept of the respondents have not disputed this aspect. Hence, admit. Mr. So and so is appearing on behalf of.
I'm here for no and duty, but I have to check the records because copy has not been understood. I am respondent 4, my lord.
Respondent number 4, you are Mr.
I am for 1.
You are for 1. And respondent number 4 is also, and 2, 2, 3 and 5. You are appearing on 2, 3 and 5. 2 is only 5.
Oh, Lordship, I'm sorry, Lordship, I'm appearing for 1 and 3.
1 and 3. Okay. 1 and 3 then. Especially the joint secretary to government,
No, Lordship, the District Fiscal Development Officer, I'm appearing.
Item 13, my lord.
1 and 3. And you are appearing for 5. 5. You are appearing for 4.
I am for 4.
Only 2. You are appearing for 2. Okay. So, put in appearance for behalf of all the respondents, hence notices need not to be issued. List for, the copies of the writ appeal is supplied by the council for the appellant to the respective councils for respondents during the course of the day.
Course of the day. Course of the day, Lordship.
During the course
May I
of the
appeal,
day.
Lordship, already matter was being heard on the last day. Let us sort that maybe. They are on interim, Lordship.
Heard?
A bit hard, Lordship.
We don't remember. Okay. Just after 10 days.
Item 16.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, in this matter, I have received an instruction, my lord. I'd like to file one affidavit, my lord.
What is the material?
Well, material is that, my lord,
You simply made allegations, no material, nothing. Material is these persons have misappropriated the money, they have nothing, they have to file a complaint if they have misappropriated.
but
the money.
complaint submitted, my lord.
Complaint to the, file a criminal complaint
Yes, my lord,
before the concerned court,
we have submitted, my lord, several complaint to the
criminal complaint. But these allegations are neither here nor there. So generalized allegations.
Let them, my lord, file reply, my lord.
that we are not satisfied with this. Whatever the material you have placed, very generalized allegations, nothing else.
Complaint, my lord, submitted.
Whatever may be complained, maybe you have filed a complaint.
Next week, my lord, may come. Next week may come, my lord.
Why? Why next week?
In the meantime, we will also
Keep
file.
these type of petitions pending. Generalized allegations, they are not providing this 100 days job to each financial year to the villagers. Where is that, sir? How many persons have got this job? Where are the details?
Only, my lord, there, this representation may be considered, my lord. My lord, the representation, my lord, submitted, that may be, my lord, considered, my lord.
Okay. This PL is filed by the petitioner alleging that the respondent number 4 and 5 in connivance with the respondent number 6 to 19 are not implementing the Mandre scheme in true letter and spirit in the village. Where is that village? Village Chandrapur.
Yes, my lord. My lord, all the, my lord, Gaon Panchayat, my lord, starting from, my lord, respondent number, my lord, 6, my lord.
In the villages. In the villages
Bourbon, may I say, my
involved
lord,
in the Gram Panchayat who have been arrayed as a respondent
number 6 to 9,
6 to 9,
19, my lord.
6 to 19.
Yes, my lord.
Stop. Having gone through the contents of the writ petition, we are of the view that general allegations of misappropriation of public money
Only, my lord,
being leveled against the respondent number 4 to 5 as well as 6 to 19 without providing any specific details and proofs. It is also stated in the petition that they have already filed complaints, representations before the authorities concerned, such as Commissioner, Panchayat and Rural Development Department,
Deputy Commissioner also, my lord.
Deputy Commissioner Halakandi, and Superintendent of Police Halakandi, Superintendent of Police, Chief Minister, Special Cell, Assam, highlighting the irregularities committed by the respondent number 4 to 19 in implementing the Mandre scheme in the area concerned. Full stop. We are of the view that this PIL petition can be disposed of with the expectations from the authorities concerned to whom the complaints and as well as complaints / representations have been filed on behalf of the residents of the area to consider and take appropriate action in accordance with law, if not already taken. Okay. With these observations, ordered accordingly, the PL petition is disposed of.
Obliged.
Diploma.
Item 20.
Made, please, your lordship. My lord, matter relating to validity of subsection 4 of section 16. In the meantime,
that is pending before the Honorable Supreme
But,
Court.
my
And
lord,
in
in
the
the mean-
meantime, 16(5) has.
My lord, and this, it has notified also, and this honorable court, my lord, has passed order also, so similar, I'm saying for similar order. Matter was remanded back to the adjudicating authority.
Demanded back for what? You have to apply before 30th of November or something. date
That
was
we have done, your lordship, but so far as order is passed, my lord, it was set aside and sent back to the authority in view of said order passed under subsection 9 of section 16, your lordship. It was set aside by this honorable court,
We have passed the order, the different orders.
but my lord, unless until order will not go, your lordship.
No. We have noticed that in view of this amendment in section, insertion of clause 16(5) in the GST Act,
My lord.
the authority has to consider it, that's all, without setting aside.
Then, my lord, unless until it, either they withdraw it.
We'll pass it over for time.
My lord. After some time, your lord.
No.
You have the copy. You get it. Which we have passed earlier. no?
My lord. No, not that order, but I have provision of.
Provision we have already, we considered, we have taken note of this and made some observation without setting aside that. Because that, even though this order is there,
My lord,
despite that, if you applied before the 13th of November
21.
21, no, 13th of November 2021, if you have applied that,
My lord, that we have.
then you get the exemption as per this 16(5). Despite the order is there, how it matters?
My understanding is, my lord, since there is an order, unless until they will withdraw that order.
No,
and pass.
that and the statement was there by the concept of the respondent also. Okay, yes, sir, we are going to.
My lord, in that case,
That is
in
there.
that case,
That will see that.
my lord, I'm here. Obliged.
Who is normally appearing for the respondent department?
My lord, just now, my lord, Mr. Gogoi, no? Vikram Chakravarti, just he was.
Call him, call him. Call him.
Item 22.
Right, your lordship. I'm praying for 2 weeks time to file rejoinder in this matter.
Our affidavit have been filed, madam.
Respondents have filed their affidavit.
Wanted to
counter.
file.
But council appealing for the respondent says 6 weeks time, 4 weeks time to file a counter to the.
No, rejoinder, I have,
Oh, sorry, rejoinder.
rejoinder. Counter, I have already filed, my lord.
Sorry.
For hearing, item 27.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
This appeal has been filed against the single judge order dated, your lordship, 25/1/2023. The basic issue, your lordship, in this case is that the notification by which my claim for promotion has been rejected, your lordship, whether this applies for promotional post or for direct recruitment only, your lordship. I have annexed that notification, your lordship, and in page 60, your lordship, kindly permit.
My lord, in this case, I am seeking a little accommodation, my lord. We have actually misplaced the file in the department office, my lord.
Huh?
We have misplaced the file in the office, my lord.
Misplaced.
Yes, my lord. So kindly, my lord, sometime may be given.
Misplaced in your office or where?
No, in our department office, my lord. Yeah, in,
Department you have misplaced. The
not that
file
department,
should
my
be
lord.
with the advocate, why the department?
No, not that department, my lord. Here in I got of advocate office, my lord. It must be there, my lord.
Urgent, 10 days.
Yes,
In that case, your lordship, may I play?
Or you keep the file, have a file, copy of the file
Yes,
from him.
I will take, my lord, if in fact, we have filed affidavit also, my lord, in this.
So, I will also you take the copy of that.
Yes,
Writ petition, affidavit, whatever you may
Yes,
argue the matter. Yes. What do you want?
I'm ready, your lordship. In that
He
case,
is ready, but he is not having
in
file.
that case, your lordship, kindly.
If you want, we hear you expand it,
No, your
then
next week,
after 10 days.
Obliged.
Much obliged.
Item 28.
May I please, your lordship? This case is led by senior counsel, Mr. P.K. Gulsami, lordship. But he is not feeling well. He could not come before his honorable court. I pray for today's accommodation, lord.
2 weeks.
Passover meter 20.
He's not taking my call. I perhaps he's on next month. Who? Vikram Chaudhary, my lord. So, he is appearing.
You find that order which we have passed, we'll consider it whether this order which you are referring to or that order. Tomorrow,
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Of like.
आपकी